Hey guys, Jared here with Coryer Staffing, shooting this week's hot job video. We are here today on the SUNY Plattsburgh campus. Just a little reminder of the raffle we're running right now. The first 30 people to either update their profile or register with Coryer Staffing will be entered to win a $150 Visa gift card. This week we're looking for a wide array of folks. We're looking for folks with a warehouse associate background, logistics experience, assembly background, if you have any sort of forklift experience, if you have any sort of automotive repair experience, if you have mechanical experience, even some machine operator experience. We have more positions than we know what to do with right now. We need to meet some candidates immediately for these positions because we are on fire right now. If this sounds good to you, or if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please give us a shout. 518-324-5678. And as always, for a complete listing of all of our positions, go to coryerstaffing.com or reach out to your recruiter immediately. Thank you.